Welcome back to Dancer's Feed. My name is Allison, and behind me I have my model, Miss Leah. She's going to be demonstrating a beginner floor stretch. Make sure that if you follow along, you're already warmed up. Leah is really warmed up right now, so this is a perfect time for her to stretch. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video.
Alright, so you're going to begin off by sitting in butterfly position and curving your back forwards, dropping your head to your toes. From here, you're going to take a couple of deep breaths in and out using your arms to open up that chest. And you could either grab onto your ankles or bringing your hands forwards the way Leah is demonstrating right here. Whatever you do, just don't grab onto your toes. I don't want you to sickle your feet. And if you do grab onto your ankles, you could always press your knees down with your elbows. This next stretch is going to target your back. You're going to press your knee down and simultaneously twist to face the back. And then you're going to switch to do the same thing on the other side. This is really stretching out your entire spine and also giving an extra stretch to your hips. And when you're done with the left side, you're going to go back to butterfly position and stretch down into the center one more time. This time, try to go even deeper. From this position, you're going to stretch out your legs the way Leah is going to demonstrate right now. Once your legs are stretched out, you're going to bring your arms up and fall forwards, keeping your legs straight and trying not to wiggle. And bring your arms up, open your chest again, take deep breaths, and from here, go a little bit deeper. And as you see, Leah flexed her feet here. This is going to give an extra stretch to the calves and the Achilles tendons. And you're definitely going to feel the stretch even more. From here, opening your legs up, bringing your arms up, chest up. You're going to twist your back first and then bring your nose to your knee. Stretch all the way and try to think of your chest going down deeper than your head. What you want to try to do is flatten your back out as much as possible instead of curving your back too much, the way Leah is showing right here. And usually from here, we do this again, but open up your legs a little bit more, making sure your knees are facing upwards towards the sky. And when you go down this time, think of going a couple inches deeper. With every exhale out, go a little bit deeper and into that stretch. Make sure you do this to the right and to the left 2 times each. From here, you're going to drop down your right arm and stretch your rib cage and your obliques by stretching over to the right with your left arm. And now do the same thing to the left side. Now, of course, you could take a little bit longer. We're just showing you these stretch positions, but you should take a little bit longer for a deeper stretch. From here, we're going to get right into the middle of the split. Again, I want you to think of keeping your back as flat as possible. Even bringing your head up will help that. But try not to curve your back so much. It's not about your head going to the floor, it's about bringing your chest to the floor. You're definitely going to feel a different type of stretch there. See how Leah's bringing her head up? It's because I'm telling her, keep your back straight as much as you can. From there, bring your legs in and wiggle them out. That's always the best part. Just swing your legs back after that, making sure that they're straight behind you. And from here, we're going to get into a yoga pose called Cobra. You're going to make sure that your elbows are straight and your shoulders are pushed back, looking up to the sky, and give your back a nice stretch. Once you do Cobra a couple of times, you're going to push back into Child's Pose, another yoga position that's a great stretch for your back. From here, we're going to stretch out the neck by bringing the right arm over to the left ear and pressing the head down towards the right shoulder, and then switching to the other side. As you're stretching to the left side, keep in mind that we're almost done. We just have a few more stretches to go, and you're doing a phenomenal job so far. Next, we're going to stretch out our triceps by bringing one arm behind the head and pulling the elbow back, and then switch to the other side. Next, we're going to be stretching the deltoids by bringing our arm over across the chest and pressing it into the chest. Switch to the other side, and finally, we're going to stretch out the wrists by bringing the hand forwards, fingers down, and slightly and gently pressing the fingers back. Again, make sure you do both sides. And that was our beginner stretch. So make sure you do this after you warm up at home. And thank you so much, dancers.